Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss Grow to Fit for matrix or table visual in Power BI. This feature is available in Power BI November 2025 update. And this feature talks about automatically expand matrix or table visual column to fill the available space. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So from Power BI Visual Gallery, first I will add a matrix visual. And let me increase the height of this. And after that, I will, from the data model, I will add a country as a row for matrix feature. And now I will add a business segment as a column. And let me little bit reduce the size more. And now I'll say the total sales as a value. So for example, if we are assuming that this against this table we have another visual, and these are the available space, and basically if you want to adjust this or fill this gap, we have to adjust the column. Okay, this is not required now. Now you have to select this visual and go to option and setting. In the option you have to go to the column header, and in the column header you have to go to the option and click on the option, and here by default it is selected fit to content, and now you have to select grow to fit. So once you will select this grow to fit, if you can see this gap is automatically filled. Okay, now similarly I'll show you for the table because it is more useful. So I'll add a table, and in the table I will do one thing. I will add a first as a customer. Then I will add a region. Sorry, it is not price list. I will add a customer. Then I will add a region. Then I will add a category. Okay, and let me add a model as well. Where is model? Add model. And here I will add a order quantity, sum of order quantity. Okay, let me rename this. So I'll say total QTY. Okay. Now you can see here the gap actually. Okay. So same way you can fill the gap. You have to go here and again column header, and in the column header you can say option. In the option you have to say grow to fit. Okay. So now it is adjusted. Now for example, if I want to add a color column. Okay. After the model, I want to add a color column. So let me add. So you can see I have added the color column and it is automatically adjusted. So this is the completely new feature in Power BI 22 November 2025 updates. So if you want to use this feature, you have to download the latest version of the Power BI. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.